The culmination of the Islamic conquest of Andalusia marks a pivotal moment in the historical landscape of the Iberian Peninsula. This event, closing a vital chapter in the region's history, occurred around the early 8th century, culminating in the completion of the Muslim conquest by 718 AD. The conquest, initiated by the Umayyad Caliphate under the command of Tariq ibn Ziyad, comprised systematic campaigns that expanded the territories under Islamic rule from the southernmost parts of the peninsula to include a vast majority of its landmass. One of the most significant moments was the victory at the Battle of Guadalete in 711 AD, which laid the groundwork for subsequent territorial gains. The rapid advance was aided by the internal strife and fragmentation within the Visigothic kingdom, allowing Muslim forces to take control of cities like Toledo and Córdoba with relative ease. These cities quickly fell under the influence of the new rulers, signifying not just a change in governance, but also a transformation in cultural and religious practices across the region. The transformation of Andalusia didn't just alter its political landscape, but also catalyzed a new era of cultural flourishing. The infusion of Islamic ideologies, architecture, and culture gradually shaped an Andalusian identity distinct and celebrated for its polyglot nature. Meanwhile, the indigenous populations were integrated over time through the processes of Arabization and Islamization, albeit maintaining some degree of religious and cultural autonomy under the system of Dimitiv. As such, the end of the opening of Andalusia under Muslim rule introduced a phase where collaboration and conflict between three major cultures, Islamic, Christian, and Jewish, defined its social fabric. This era of Islamic rule in Iberia left a significant mark on the architectural, scientific, and cultural heritage of Spain, with remnants that shape its modern identity. This narrative is a small window into the complex processes that defined medieval Andalusia, rendering it a fascinating chapter for both historians and enthusiasts alike. It is a story well-suited for content focusing on the rich, multifaceted history available on platforms such as YouTube.